Earlier we solved regular inequalities, so once you graph, you either just shade right or just shade left. Now we're going to talk about solving combined inequalities. And so what that means is it's an and or an or statement. But the mathematics is a conjunction, which is an and statement. We're going to go ahead and solve this conjunction inequality. It's just an and statement. And what we're going to do is we're going to get that k totally by itself. So the things inside connected to the k are a 1 and that -2. I want to get rid of the 1 first, so I'm going to subtract 1 from here, and here, and here. I have to subtract 1 from all three pieces. So to the left, I'm left with a -6. My sign stays the same. I have a -2k in the middle now. Symbol stays the same, and then it was 3 minus 1, which is 2. I then need to divide everything by that -2. Divide this by -2, that by -2, that by -2. I'm dividing everything by a negative, so that means I need to flip all of my signs. So -6 divided by -2 is a +3. This sign is going to change directions. I still have a k in the middle. This sign is also going to change directions. And 2 divided by -2 is a -1. So this is saying that any answer can be between 3 and -1. And we're going to go ahead and graph that. So we know it can be between -1 and 3. There's no less than or equal to or greater than or equal to, so you know it's going to be an open circle at both -1 and +3. And it's an and statement, so you're shading in between your two open circles. That's our conjunct statement example. Let's do our disjunct statement example, or a disjunction, which is an or statement. So this is an or statement. And statements you always shade in between your answers, or statements you always shade out. So we're going to go ahead and solve these and see what our answer is going to be. I'm going to do this guy first. We're going to subtract 7 from both sides first. So I have 2t is greater than or equal to 13 minus 7 is 6. I'm going to divide both sides by 2. So t is greater than or equal to 3. Or if I add 4 to both sides, I have 5t is less than or equal to 10. Divide both sides by 5. So t is less than 2. So t can be any number that's greater than or equal to 3, or t can be any number that's less than 2. So we're going to go ahead and graph that on our number line. So we know that t can be 2. We know that t can be 3. For 3, it's greater than or equal to. It can be 3, so you're going to shade that circle in completely. And it's greater than, which is to the right, so you're shading out. The other one, t is less than 2. It's not equal to, so it's an open circle. And it's less than, so again, you're shading out. And statements you shade in between, or statements you shade out. This last guy I want you to try. This is an and statement. It's a conjunction. The answer is a little bit tricky. I want to see, once you get the answers, if you know how to graph it. If you do, awesome. If you're not sure, I still want you to try, because that's all part of your grade. Please just try. It's okay if you get it wrong. We're going to go over it in class tomorrow. Good luck.